Hey guys, today I'm checking out this biometric safe that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really nice unit. As you can see, we have the instruction manual with all the important information about it and all the steps to set it up. We also get the installation hardware that we're going to use in case that we need it and the keys to unlock it manually. As you can see, it comes actually really well protected and it has a simple design that combines speed, durability, and elegance just in one sleek unit, okay? It uses 4 AA batteries, but for any reason, we could use an external battery to power it up. Setting it up couldn't be easier. You just need the reset button. You can unlock the safe with a passcode, the key, or even your own fingertip. The optical fingertip scanner is a highly accurate one and can store up to 20 unique fingertips, ensuring an instant access for trusted users. All the fingertip data is going to be stored locally for complete privacy, making it a really nice option for places where many people need access to the safe. And also, the auto-opening mechanism lifts the door smoothly within a second, making access effortless during emergency. It is built to last. This safe features solid steel locking bolts and a pry-resistant door, hidden hinges for enhanced protection, and the seamless welded steel body with a corrosion-resistant powder coating keeps your valuable secure for years. It includes 2 heavy-duty mounting bolts that are included for a permanent installation, whether in your closet, your bedroom, or your office. You can stay alert with the dual alarm system, which activates after incorrect entries or tampering attempts, and the backlit touchscreen keypad ensures easy visibility even in dim light. While the silent mode lets you open your safe discreetly once it's needed. Inside, the 0.6 cubic foot interior is lined with a soft felt to protect jewelry and important documents for any kind of scratch or damage. A removable shelf also allows you to customize the space to fit all your valuables perfectly, ranging from cash and passports to electronics or any kind of family heirloom that you get. Overall, I think that it's a great unit and I would really recommend it. See you guys!